Thank you for watching this video. This video is brought to you by newqbo.com. That's our website. Alright, so this video has to do with import into QuickBooks Online from QuickBooks Desktop, and the focus of this specific video has to do with will it import bank reconciliation reports during the conversion process. We converted from desktop online, and what will happen to your bank reconciliation. So that's the focus of this video. So let's get started. So the first thing I want to do is I want to go to QuickBooks Desktop. So this is QuickBooks Desktop. Okay, so I'm going to go to reconciliation report. So reports, and under banking you will see previous reconciliation. Okay, so in this case let's select one account in here. Alright, so the last reconciliation was done through October 15, 2018. Okay, so so what will happen to this report? Will this convert to QuickBooks Online or not, or you have to do it all over again in QuickBooks Online? Alright, we'll find out. So I'm gonna go to, I'll show you the QuickBooks Online in here. Okay, so this is QuickBooks Online. This is pretty blank. There's nothing in here. So I'm going to convert from desktop to online. Okay, so I'm just going to go to company and export company file to QuickBooks Online. Alright, so I need to sign in here. So I'm going to pause it and do the conversion and go back to QBO and find out. Alright. Okay, conversion is done. So we're going to find out what happened to reconciliation. Alright, so I'm just going to go to the reports, reconciliation reports. So left navigation bar, reports, and reconciliation reports right here. I just put it there. So it's under accountant, I think. Let's see here. Okay, so it's right here, reconciliation report right here. It's under for my accountant tab. So if you click this, you should see the reports, but you don't see anything in here. So that means it didn't convert bank reconciliation. So you have to do it again in QuickBooks Online. Alright, so what do you do? Go to my chart in here. Okay, so reconciliation is not imported during the conversion process, so it will not import. So a couple of tips in here. So do the final reconciliation in QuickBooks Desktop before conversion, just like I did in here. I did the final conversion, final reconciliation before the conversion in here. So this happens to be period ending 10/15/2018. So that's my final reconciliation in QuickBooks Desktop. Okay, so the second one is, so you may want to print the reconciliation reports in QuickBooks Desktop to access them later. So it's very very helpful if you just print this. You can just print this and or save it, print or save. That way you can get all the information you need when you do the reconciliation in QBO. Okay, so all you have to do is basically just print here or save it. Okay, and the other thing is, so in QuickBooks Online, so you need to do one mini reconciliation for the same statement ending where you left off in QuickBooks Desktop. So in this case, the last reconciliation was 10/15, as I said. So you need to do reconciliation for the same period. Since this is already reconciled, it should be 0. It should be very quick, very fast. It should be easy task. Okay, so for example, previous reconciliation date in desktop equal, let's say in this example December 31st. Do it again for the same statement ending date in QBO. Okay, And also there's a note in here says there is no undo bank reconciliation in QBO. So what that means is if you have to do undo in QBO, you can't do it. There's nothing in there. So in here, when you do reconciliation, see here's undo reconciliation. So they don't have that in QBO. You will need to get some help from your accountant. Okay, so let's go to desktop. I'm going to open this again. Reports. So reports, banking, previous reconciliation. All right, let's select one account in here. Let's say checking account, and statement ending date was 10/15, and I'm just going to display this on the screen. Okay, so the statement balance is $104,500. So I'm going to reconcile this in QBO, reconcile an account. Okay, so I'm just going to reconcile here. Let's do it. So okay, so select the account, checking account. Alright, so beginning balance is saying beginning balance because these users transfer it. So ending balance also the same. Ending date October 15. Alright, start reconciling it. Oh, got it wrong amount in there. Okay, the difference is 0. So this is to establish reconciliation in QBO. So once you do this, you will have the reconciliation as of 10/15 in QBO, and then you enter transaction, and in QBO, then you will do reconciliation next time. Okay, so anyway, so this is the focus of this video. So reconciliation is not important, and here are some of the tips. And there's no undo bank reconciliation in QBO, so make sure when before you converting to QuickBooks Desktop, you do the final reconciliation and everything is okay. Alright, so thank you for watching this video, and be sure to subscribe our YouTube channels. We have 2 channels, youtube.com/bpcontroller, and the second one you're watching, youtube.com/QuickBooks QBO. Thank you again. Bye.